Hello, I'm Julie Samako with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this sneak peek video, a behind the scenes look of our featured wreath this month in our Wreath of the Month Club. You're gonna love it. And we have this really cute bunny kit. So it's got the head and the feet attached, separated from it, but the feet are attached together. Let's see, I was going to see if it told what it was. It doesn't. And then for the flowers, we've got a really pretty rose bush and then the size is, it's 9 stems and it's 17 inches from tip to stem. Now this flower head is about 3 inches wide if you're trying to find a replacement. You're also going to need the florist wire, and did I say the ribbon? 1.5 inch ribbon is what we're using. Wire cutters, scissors, a hot glue gun, or a glue pot. I'm going to use greening pins and attach a floral pick to it. All right, so let me just confirm the placement. So I want it right where the big part of the jowls are, right through here. So lay the florist wire down. Hot glue. I'm going to go ahead and do 2. All right, so we're going to put it down on the table. But I always find that it's better to wire big signs and stuff directly on the table. I didn't wire the 2 together, although you could have probably done that. Instead, I tried to make them as tight as possible here and here. And then right through here is where I added some hot glue. What I'm going to do is do some ribbon streamers. Let's see. I want to make sure I have enough to curl. I'm going to do 10 inches. So there's that one. And then I think what I'm going to do coming out right here is just one more that I'm going to do small. It's just a small streamer. So this is the bow or the ribbon on one side. So we've got one up here, and then we've got these 2 streamers coming down that way. So now I want to add it on the other side. All right, so now I've got these little blue flowers that I want to add in. I think that's going to help tie in the blue ribbon that we just added. So I'm cutting these kind of short, and I'm just going to hot glue these. And so these are just going to help bring in some of that blue with the bow. I want the bow to hang. Let's see, is he even? I want the bow to be taking up a lot of the room through the wreath, so I'm just trimming these little streamers just so I can see more of his legs. All right, so the back, we've got a lot of places where the wire needs to be cut. So like right here, you just cut the wire and bend it inwards. Put my leaf right there. It's okay to cover up his little feet. His little knobby knees. And we're going to do that just to cover up all of the mechanics on the back. Your wreath will look a lot cleaner on the back if you do that. This is not necessary, but it's just a little way to help clean up the back.